Take a look behind you. No, seriously, right now. Have you ever wondered why humans don't have tails? Cats have them, dogs have them, monkeys swing with them, so why don't we? Did humans simply never have tails? Actually, we did. Millions of years ago, your ancestors had fully functional tails. And strangely enough, every human being alive today still grows a tail before they're even born. So, what happened? Why did evolution get rid of one of nature's most useful body parts? And could losing our tails have been the very reason humans eventually conquered the planet? The answer takes us back more than 20 million years, to a mysterious evolutionary event that permanently changed the course of human history. If you travel far enough back through your family tree, you'll find something surprising. Your ancient ancestors had tails. In fact, almost all vertebrates evolved from tailed ancestors. Fish use tails to swim. Many mammals use them for balance, communication, and defense. Early primates also had long tails. Some species even use their tails like extra hands. But somewhere along our evolutionary journey, something changed. A group of primates known as apes, including chimpanzees, gorillas, orangutans, and eventually humans, lost their tails completely. Scientists believe this happened roughly 20 to 25 million years ago, but why? For decades, scientists struggled to answer this question. Why would evolution remove such a useful feature? Scientists think that early apes began moving through trees differently. Instead of running on branches like monkeys, they increasingly climbed vertically, hung beneath branches, and swung using their arms. This type of movement is called brachiation. When hanging beneath branches, a long tail may have become less important. In fact, it may even have become a disadvantage. Evolution rarely keeps structures that no longer provide significant advantages. Scientists recently made an astonishing discovery. Researchers compared the DNA of tailed monkeys with that of tailless apes. They discovered a small genetic change in a gene known as TBXT. This gene plays an important role during embryonic development. Scientists believe that this tiny genetic change may have disrupted tail formation. Over millions of years, this mutation spread through ape populations. Eventually, tailless apes became the norm. It's incredible to think that one tiny change in DNA may have reshaped the future of our species. Here's where things become truly strange. Every human alive today develops a tail, at least for a short time. During early development inside the womb, human embryos possess a visible tail, but as development continues, the tail gradually shrinks and is reabsorbed by the body. By birth, only a small remnant remains. That remnant is called the coccyx, better known as the tailbone. So, even though you can't see a tail, your body still carries evidence of your tailed ancestors. Surprisingly, losing our tails may have offered several important advantages. Without a tail, the pelvis could evolve differently. This may have improved upright posture. As our ancestors increasingly moved on two legs, a tail became less necessary. Evolution tends to favor efficiency. If a body part no longer provides enough benefits, it may gradually disappear. This process explains why whales lost their hind legs and why some cavefish lost their eyes. Humans losing tails is simply another example of evolution at work. Believe it or not, some babies are occasionally born with small tail-like structures. These rare cases remind us that the genetic instructions for making tails still exist deep within our DNA. Usually those instructions are switched off, but occasionally development takes an unexpected path. Evolution leaves clues everywhere: wisdom teeth, goosebumps, the appendix, even the muscles that allow some people to wiggle their ears. Our bodies still carry the signatures of evolution. So, why did humans lose their tails? Because evolution changed the way our ancestors moved, lived, and survived. A feature that was once essential gradually became unnecessary. But deep inside your body, your tail still remains, hidden in plain sight, as a tiny reminder of the extraordinary journey that made us human. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to this channel for more fascinating stories about science, evolution, and the mysteries of the human body.